How's it going, guys? So, next 5 packs. What is up with this? Like, a bunch of the packs got this line running down the center of them. Anyways. These. Off to the side here. Oh, you can actually see them now. Well, the suspense. Yeah, as you can probably tell, I put a new lens on since the last video. Wow. There we go. Alright. Doc Oxman, Henchman, Steel Wrecking Ball, Guy in the Chair. It didn't seem to help at all. Venom's Hunger, Starling Aerial Ally. Oh, that one's a legendary creature. Spiderbot, Scout the City, Pumpkin Bombardment, Spider Bait, Web Crawl, Wisecrack, Arcane Sonic Weaver. Hey. Sweet. Well, not a great haul for the first pack there, but not a bad one either. Ugh, legal. I didn't just toss this food token, I swear. Let's see, Taxi Driver, Subway Train, Merciless Enforcer, Web Up, Venomized Cat, Gallant Citizen, Vibrant Cityscape, oh, that's a land, Molten Man, Inferno Incarnate, Spider-Man, Heroic Horde, Spider Suit, I'm sorry, I'm kind of wordless at how beautiful this card is. Counterspell. That's a beautiful card. Anyways, Black Cat, Cunning Thief, Spectacular Tactics. It's a land. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards. Interesting. Yeah, no, this Counterspell is a beautiful card. I love it. Alright. Next pack. Maybe I should always toss the food token. Let me get it back. Alright, let's see if this works. Wow. Alright. Well, we open immediately with a legendary creature, so that's a good sign. Inner Demon Gangster, Selfless Police Captain, Unstable Experiment, Romantic Rendezvous, Spider-Man No More, Spyland Islander, Skyward Spider, oh, Green Goblin. Okay, Spider-Girl, alright, 3, I think that was 3 back-to-back again. Daily Bugle, Friendly Neighborhood, Professional Wrestler. Oh, this is a shiny, and so is this land. Cool. Anyways, 2 packs left, guys. Alright, this one. Alright, Human Citizen and Treasure. Alright, I wonder if we toss the treasure. If we toss the treasure and retrieve it, it'll have the same effect. Alright. Kapow. Venom. I feel like I've opened a lot of Venoms. We'll get a good view of it. Doc One, Huntsman Steel, Wrecking Ball, Pumpkin Bombardment, Vibrant Cityscape, Spider-Man No More, Tombstone, Hobgoblin, Web Shooter, Death of Gwen Stacy. I think that's actually a special one, because that doesn't look like normal sagas. I'm going to need to double check. Land. Oh wait, that's a shiny card. feel like I'm going through these much faster. Anyways, last pack. Ooh. New token. Illusionary villain. And it's a spider. Alright. So we've had great success, but we're just doing this. And then retrieving it. So, alright. Let's make the magic happen. Romantic Rendezvous. Professional Wrestler. Scorpion Sting. Wild Pack Squadron. Doc Ock. Mask Meower. Mechanical Mobster. Oscorp Research. Spider Slayer. Alright, Craven. Alright, now we're gonna get another legendary creature. I just know it. Nope. Oh. It was one off. It was one off, alright. And a land. Alright. Shinies are Scorpion Sting, Gallant Citizen, Deathly Gwen Stacy, Mountain, Professional Wrestler, Spectacular Tactics, Counterspell, and Oscorp Research Team. Well, some of those aren't actually shiny, but you know what I mean, right? Right? Hopefully, Spider Slayer. Come on, I changed lenses so you'd focus better. Now focus. Oh, there. Spider Slayer. Craven. Iron Spider. Doc Ock. Hobby Goblin. Tomb of the Stone. Venom. Green Goblin. Spider Girl. Skyward Spider. Huh? Spider-Man Brooklyn Visionary. Black Cat Cunning Thief. Come on. There we go. Spider-Man Heroic Horde. Molten Man Inferno. There we go. I'm not even gonna try. I'll leave that one to you guys. Spider-Bite. And the Starling. Alright. Into the comparison pile it shall go for later. Into the shiny pile for later. Alright, there we go. Into the stack it goes. Alright. Well, guys, that's going to be all for this one. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the comment section down below, and have a good one. I don't know what that voice is. Anyways, bye.